Thanks for watching Travel with John Spade. Here's my full ship tour and review of the Carnival Horizon. The Horizon is the second ship in Carnival's Vista class. Set in sail in 2018, this ship comes weighing in over 133,000 gross tons and has 15 decks, 6 of which are all staterooms. As you first enter the ship on deck 3, one of the first things you'll notice at the center of the atrium is the multi-tiered Dreamscape LED. This was absolutely stunning. The main lobby bar is located at the bottom of the Dreamscape. This atrium is outlined in bright neon colors and has a very vibrant feel. While Deck 3 does have a good amount of seating space, I really like the fact that Carnival left some open area which really gave this atrium a spacious feel. A feature that's unique to the Horizon and sister ship Panorama is the smart elevator system. Simply press the floor you would like to go to, and once the elevator provides you your assigned car, you can hop on in. There are no buttons inside the elevator car. Reflection is one of 2 main dining rooms aboard the Carnival Horizon. I found the dining rooms on the Horizon to have a very warm feel and provided a comfortable dining experience with tables that were spaced out. As we head up to Deck 4, the Meridian is the second main dining room aboard the Horizon. This restaurant was well decorated, and the LED lights gave it great energy. Club O2 is for the teens ages 15 through 17. The Limelight Lounge is a multifunctional entertainment space. During the day, this is where you'll find the art gallery auction. And at night, your comedy and dance club. If you enjoy cruising as much as I do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more videos on the Horizon and the brand new Jubilee coming soon. The Skybox Sports Bar is the premier spot for watching all of your sporting events. One of the cool things about the Skybox is that they have signed memorabilia from past and present players. If you enjoy playing poker, the Skybox has an electronic poker table. While there is plenty of seating here, I would recommend on game days to get here early as they do fill up quickly. Feeling lucky? Be sure to stop past the Horizon Casino to win big. This casino was really spacious, and I never felt crowded while trying to move around. Now, let's check out some of the fun shops on Deck 4 to do some shopping. Now that you're done shopping, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying this ship tour. Liquid Lounge is the theater aboard the Carnival Horizon. The entrance to Liquid Lounge was captivating with its neon lights. This is where you'll find shows such as the Love and Marriage Game and all of your playlist productions. Let's head to the top of the Liquid Lounge as we step on Deck 5. Stepping outside the lounge, we have more fun shops located on Deck 5. If you're looking to have a sweet cruise, make sure you stop past Cherry on Top. The Library Bar is a great place to relax, read a book, or play a game. Piano Bar 88. The piano bar on Carnival ships are a fan favorite. Here, you can request your favorite song, dance the night away, or have a cocktail with your pianist. Fahrenheit 555. This is Carnival's premier steakhouse, where you can find tender cuts of beef cooked perfectly to your liking and fresh seafood. Bonsai Tappanyaki is a hibachi-style dining experience. This was a really entertaining experience with great food. Do you like sushi? If so, roll over to Bonsai Sushi. Bonsai offers plenty of seating, inside and out. Directly across from Bonsai, we have the Carnival fan favorite, Alchemy Bar. If you enjoy a great craft cocktail, look no further. The Alchemy Bar is the place for you. What separates Alchemy from other bars is the cocktails are all made using fresh ingredients. Shout out to my guys at the Alchemy Bar for being entertaining nightly and providing exceptional service during my sailing. Be sure to stop past and see them and tell them Travel with John Spate sent you for some custom cocktails. Have you been to the Alchemy Bar? If so, go ahead and like this video and drop a comment below with your favorite cocktail. As we move past Alchemy, you have the Pixels photo gallery. You can view all the photos you took during your cruise directly on one of these tablets. Guys, Pig and Anchor is Carnival's brew house and smokehouse. At the bar, Guys offers a full selection of bourbons and whiskeys. While the food for dinner on the Vista class ships does come at an upcharge, I must say, the wings, trash can nachos, and salmon were absolutely worth it. The Smokehouse does have complimentary lunch options that they only offer on sea days. Only on the Vista and XL class ships, Carnival has its own brewery. The brew house has fresh brewed beer that you can enjoy throughout your sailing. Dream Studio is where you can book a professional photo session to capture your story. Java Blue is brewing fresh coffee daily to serve all of your coffee needs. While the Shake Spot is mixing up some delicious milkshakes. Stepping towards after Deck 5, you have Ocean Plaza. This is where you'll find trivia, karaoke, and live music. Make sure you stop past the Ocean Plaza's bar for a refreshing beverage. The Havana area is a unique experience. With Cuban-inspired decor, this is a great place to relax, grab a cocktail, or listen to live music at night. Havana is divided into two separate areas. The indoor area is open to all guests, while the outdoor area is only for the guests who are staying in the Havana stateroom. The outdoor area typically is not crowded and has some very comfortable seating. And if you're looking for some good Cuban coffee or cocktails, stop past either one of the Havana bars. Each time I've stayed in the Havana area, it's been a really good experience. The Vista class ships are the first ships to have an IMAX theater at sea. Looking to have some fun not in the sun? Stop past the Warehouse Arcade. Circle C is for teens ages 12 to 14. Now, let's hop up to my favorite deck, Lido. The pool area on the Lido deck is very spacious and has a good amount of seating. Be sure to stop past Red Frog for some refreshing rum-based cocktails. Do you love tequila? If so, the Blue Iguana is the perfect place for you. Guy's Burger Joint is proclaimed by many to be the best burger at sea and is a Carnival fan favorite. The line here can get long at times, especially on sea days. Blue Iguana Cantina is serving up tacos and burritos throughout the day. Be sure to stop past the salsa bar to take those tacos and burritos to the next level. Lido Marketplace is the buffet area, serving up breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The Deli serves up fresh hot and cold sandwiches made to order. One of my absolute favorite features of the ship was these hand washing stations. Located in the back of the ship, you have the Tides bar and pool. The Seafood Shack is a good place to get some seafood at sea. Pizzeria del Capitano is serving up fresh-made pizzas throughout the day and into the early morning. Walking up to deck 11 is where we'll find Gigi's and Cucina del Capitano. Gigi's is Carnival's Asian specialty dining restaurant. I found the atmosphere at Gigi's to be very comfortable. The food that I ordered was fresh and full of flavor. Cucina del Capitano is Carnival's Italian specialty dining restaurant. Camp Ocean is for the kids ages 2 through 11. Looking to enhance the relaxation while on vacation? Be sure to check out Cloud9 Spa. Cloud9 offers a wide range of treatment and services, and this is also where you'll find the gym. Looking to make a splash at sea? Check out Dr. Seuss Waterworks. Have you ever wondered what it will feel like to play basketball at sea? No worries, the Sky Court has you covered. Sports Square is filled with games and activities to keep you entertained throughout the day. Sky Billiards was a great twist on the game of pool and was so much fun to play. One of the highlights of the Vista class ships is the ropes course and the sky ride. Unfortunately, both of these were closed during my sailing due to extreme wind conditions. Serenity is one of the most popular places on any Carnival ship. This adults-only deck is known for being very quiet and peaceful. Serenity is the perfect place to relax, read a book, or take a nap. This ship was absolutely stunning, with an open and spacious floor plan, accompanied by neon lights all over. It was easy to navigate and very appealing to the eyes. This was my 15th Carnival cruise, and second favorite ship in the Carnival fleet. So if you're looking for a ship with great cocktails, high energy, and top-notch service, look no further. The Carnival Horizon is the perfect ship for you. Shout out to all the crew who made this cruise very entertaining and memorable. And to our cruise director, Georgia, you did a phenomenal job. Thanks for watching.